Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Mimi.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Very good. How are you today?
I'm happy.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a
A teacher, a doctor, a firefighter.
teacher.
A teacher. Okay, good. What food do you like?
I like pizza.
Okay, good. Mimi, what is number 2?
There are jeans.
Number 1,
Is a sweater.
sweater.
Is a jacket.
Good job. Number 3,
There are shoes.
number 5,
Is a t-shirt.
4,
There are socks.
number 6,
Is a dog.
number 8,
Is a goat.
number 7,
Is a duck.
number 9,
Is a horse.
number 10.
Is a sheep.
That's right. Mimi, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a sweater and pants.
Good job. Do you want black shoes?
No, I don't.
What food do you want?
I want some watermelon.
Okay, good. Look, what is in this boy's t-shirt?
Is a yellow duck.
Okay, what are they doing?
They are swimming.
That's right. Now, Mimi, what letter is this?
Is letter C.
Name words.
Camera. Cat. Computer.
Very good. What letter is it?
Is letter C. Is letter S.
That's right. Name the words.
Socks. Sun.
Very good. What letter is it?
Is letter T.
Name the words.
Chain. Teddy.
Thank you, Mimi. Very good. Goodbye.
Goodbye.